Wednesday short and important news. Islamic Emirate of Afghanistan committed addressing trade unions problem. The Deputy Prime Minister Maulawi Abdul Kabir, in a meeting with a number of trade unions members, said that the Islamic Emirate of Afghanistan is committed to addressing the problems of all trades unions in the country. The work on the Kush-Tepa Canal has been carried out more rapidly than planned. The work of the first phase of Kush-Tepa Canal has progressed 42%, and the remaining work of the first phase will be completed soon. People need to show interest in domestic products. The Minister of Finance Al-hedayat asked all the officials in other units to use domestic products in order to strengthen the country's economy. 10,000 copies of newly printed books have arrived. More than 10,000 copies of newly printed books for technical and professional education centers have arrived in Kandahar province. The percentage of crimes in Kabul city has decreased. Khalid Zadran, spokesman of Kabul Police Headquarters, says Afghan security and defense forces have become organized and stronger than ever before, with which the level of crimes in Kabul city has decreased. Kabul governor heard the suggestion of scholars. Kabul Governor Sheikh Muhammad Qasim Khalid met with the scholars and officials of virtue and vice and heard their suggestions and demands. Low quality medicines collected and disposed of. Agriculture Ministry says low quality and outdated medicines were collected in the Dehraud district of Uruzgan province. 2 new transformers installed. The DEB's operational team has installed 2 400 kV ampere and 200 kV ampere capacity transformers in the Hakim Sanai and Hyderabad areas of Ghazni province. These transformers were donated by the international community of the Red Cross.